Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a beloved Japanese street food, takoyaki. Takoyaki, a soul food of Osaka, are delicious balls made from wheat flour butter with octopus and seasonings. Perfect for a quick snack or festival treat. They are hugely popular. While it can be challenging to recreate them without a takoyaki pan, if you can get your hands on one, definitely give this recipe a try. Let's get started with the cooking. Let's look over the ingredients. 200-gram all-purpose flour, 600 to 700 cc water, 1 tablespoon of Japanese dashi powder, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 egg. And for takoyaki fillings, octopus as needed, 2 green onions, 1/4 cabbage, pickled red ginger to taste, tempura scraps, tenkasu to taste. Okay, let's start cooking. In a large bowl, mix flour, water, and Japanese dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, and egg. Start with 600 cc of water and adjust as you mix. Aim for thin, runny batter consistency. Begin by cutting the octopus into a small bite-sized pieces, about 2 centimeters each. Then chop the green onions. We are preparing extra for storage, but usually 2 stalks are enough. For the cabbage, finely chop it. We use the blender for quick and easy chopping. Now let's make takoyaki. Oil your takoyaki pan well. A bit more oil than you might expect it helps make turning the balls easier. To check if the pan is hot enough, put a small piece of octopus in it. When you see tiny bubbles forming around it in the oil, it's time to pour in the butter. Fill each mold about 2/3 full with butter. It's okay if some butter overflows. Add octopus, green onions, and cabbage to each mold. It's fine to do this roughly, not aiming for each hole. Optionally, add the pickled red ginger and tempura scraps. We added them to just 2 rows. Feel free to experiment with different fillings like natto or kimchi or cheese. Pour thin layer of butter over the fillings. When they start to cook, make incision around each bowl to help shape them. When the underside is cooked, use a long skewer to flip the takoyaki. Use the skewer to gently roll the takoyaki. making sure not to break them. Tuck any overflowing butter back into the bowls and keep turning them so the cooked surface is on top. Continue turning until they are evenly cooked. Shift the cooked takoyaki to a dish and move the less cooked ones to a hotter area. Once done, serve the takoyaki sauce, mayonnaise, bonito flakes, and green seaweed powder. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They're irresistibly delicious, but be careful, the filling is very hot. Hope you enjoyed our takoyaki adventure. If this video made your mouth water, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Your support means a lot to us. Let us know in the comments if you try making these at home. Until our next delicious recipe, happy cooking and bye bye!